Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to show all shortcut key in MS Word. There are a few hidden ways to reveal every single shortcut key in Microsoft Word. Whether you want a printable list or a quick way to see shortcuts while you work, here are the most effective method. MS Word actually has a built-in command that creates a new document containing a table of every available shortcut. So for this you need to press Alt plus F8. Then macro box will be appeared up. You need to click on this arrow and select the Word documents. So in the macro names box you need to select the list command. Now you have to find it. Here is the list command, and once you select it, you need to click on the run. A small box will appear. Select current keyboard setting and click OK. So Word will instantly generate a multi-page document listing every command and its assigned shortcut keys. I hope you understand how to show all shortcut key in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.